Okay guys, let's start with split.
I think we're kulang pa.
Yeah, someone is missing.
Okay, you're finally here.
Sorry guys.
You're always late.
I'm busy.
You don't know what we're gonna do.
What kind of busy?
You're busy.
Player. Busy.
You're a player. You have your parent. Come on.
Okay. What?
Busy.
It's about a project.
Oh, yes,
Oh yes, Sia.
So guys, do you prepare your research about class A?
Not at all. No.
I'm well.
So,
Just as we did. I'm busy like, oh, doing a lot of things.
Okay, I know naman guys, ako na naman ang nakapag-reason about Asaya.
Yeah,
So,
right.
so I will talk about Asaya, how it works and how it became now. So let's take a look at for coming to our country. And congratulations for your second year of independence.
By the way, guys, I forgot to tell them that I went to see your It's so beautiful there. Why? Why? Kasi, you know,
Ano rason ba kayo?
Yeah, what's your reason?
family out.
So what's the information about Singapore if you're really there?
What?
What's the information about Singapore? Singapore if you're really there?
You know,
Stop laughing! Come on!
their language is Malay.
For Singapore.
No, Malay language. Their language is so they didn't understand.
So, binubuo mo yun.
Yeah.
Yung buhay yung mga Singapore.
Then, pagkakalam ko, 50 years na, apart na kasi.
50 years? No!
So,
I think it's just 50 years old lang in Singapore. Pero 48 years lang siya naging part ng ASEAN.
oh my gosh!
But they're coming here to go.
So brave.
Yes!
And it's so system.
Kaya they're rich.
Tigers.
They're so floppy.
For time.
For ASEAN Tigers.
Yes. ASEAN Tigers, it's Asian Tigers.
Sorry, Leon. Sorry.
Eh, wow.
Okay, hindi na ito naiwan ko.
Ano? Isang araw na ito. Isang araw.
Oh, wow!
I mean, last month, nagpunta kasi kami ng family sa Malaysia. So, wala din sinabi yung pinsan namin sa Kuala Lumpur eh. Pagkaba namin sa airport. Ang ganda. Yung mga kotse doon, left hand drive yun sa left yun. O tama, left sa left.
Kasi sa atin,
Left-handed yung mga... So yun.
Kasi sa atin eh. Like,
Right.
over the night. Or research ka lang. Ay, hindi mo lang mo lang
Di ba,
mag-isip.
ikaw na na-section from driving ng student's license ko doon sa atin. Tapos, so yun, try ko driving Malaysia pero security. Gawa ng mga bawal na police yun. Right-handed.
Sana natuloy ka na.
Ewan ko lang.
Di ba right-handed sila? Tapos, ang linis doon, ang lang doon pa sa alam ngayon, may Petronas Twin Towers doon. Akalain mo Singapore, Asia, tapos bigla pa yun. So yun, Kuala Lumpur, di ba? Yung mga pinanood tayo nung Malaysia. Tapos, yun, nagpunta kami sa norte ng Malaysia. Punta kami malapit sa border ng Thailand. Parang wala lang, border lang siya. Pusang sa
Thailand?
Hindi, border lang ng Thailand. Meron din kasi kami nung pinsan sa father side ko.
Saan ang pamilya mo?
Eh, siyempre, gusto na ng trabaho eh. Ay, kapag din ko.
Ano nga ba yung nakalaman ng Malaysia? Hindi nag-work. Kasi,
Pero lang pa kayo ko. Tapos ano, bigla na ako nanonood ako TV doon. Hindi ako nakita kasi nakita mo yung hari ng Malaysia. Eh, monarchy sila. Constitutional monarchy.
Ano na mga hari?
Hari ng Malaysia. Pero wala.
Kasi di ba kayo?
Eh, parang sa video ko na makita, ano lang siya, pangalan. Ceremonial figure lang yun, parang yun yung people. Tapos sketch siya niya, no? Di ba kilala niya sa Founding Fathers? Di ba yung sila sa atin? Sino na yan?
Rasang Chinoa.
I know you want pop, you want rock and roll.
You want it?
This year's remix
Got some phonics.
I got pop, I got rockin'
Electronic.
beats. I got hip hop music with the future flow.
So don't worry, even if the sky is falling down.